Left leg, always the left leg. Good. Right, look where you're going to the boot of the car.
Yeah, before she was
Careful, not going much further because you'll end up going down the slope. And that's not going to happen. I'm going to stop you. You're going to the car. I'm sorry, but you're not going down there.
There's a nice slope to go down.